Yeah, so what's up guys? This is a very good place for you to redeem all your gift card. If you know you clicked on this video so you can know the best and actual socks for you to redeem your gift card. Here's the place for you. Okay, you can see right here, you can see I withdraw this money on the 20th of February 2025, and you can see that it says approved on the status. The amount is 18,700 naira, which I received straight into my bank account. I can see this one here, it says 7,000 naira as well. And this one here, it says 11,000 naira, and you can see the rate is very good. As of the time of me making this video, the rate was 1,100 naira, but I'm sure that if you see this video, let's say in 1 month's time, the rate will be a lot more higher than this. Okay, and this is the best platform that I can advise anyone to hop in, because they have the best sweet rate and they pay fast into your bank account. Okay, now if you keep scrolling, you see some other transactions that I've done in the past. You can see this one right here, it says 119,500 naira, which I have received from this app. Okay, I redeemed gift card with this app alone because I trust them. I've been using them for so long, and to show you guys that I've been using this app for so long, I'm going to keep scrolling down. So you see, when I started using these applications, you can see I started, I'm still scrolling so that you can see for yourself. You can see I started 2023 to use this app, and we are in 2025 as I'm recording this video. That's to show you guys proof that this app is legit. Okay, and most of the gift card that I redeem here is mostly Razer Gold and Steam. Okay, because that's the gift card that I normally get. You understand? And you don't need to be scared saying, oh, I'm not sure about this. These are approved. Okay, I can click it for you to see. These are approved, and this is how the gift card looks like, because it is a digital gift card. All I do is that I go to sites. Okay, I go to some websites that once I go there, I complete some of their taxes. Okay, and this is not something that people just show you on YouTube. I complete this task. Okay, and once I complete this task, they give me gift card in return. Okay, and this gift card, I come to this app to redeem it. Now if you want to know the name of the app, all you have to do is just to click on the link in this video description. Once you click on that link, it's going to take you straight to where you can download the app. If you know that you are someone that is interested, you want to know how I was able to get all these kind of gift cards that I can see on my screen, you want to know how to get it, all you have to do is to chat me on WhatsApp, so that I'll teach you exactly how I get this website and how I make sure that I get gift card from this website. I'll tell you how I complete my tasks step by step. This is not something you see on YouTube. I repeat, it's not something you see on YouTube. What you see on YouTube, 90% of them don't work, which means it will be hard for you to make money. Okay, now you can see these are proofs of me making money with this website, and this is because I am not fully devoted to this website. Okay, I do this part-time and I still make a whole lot of money for myself. Okay, now if you know you're interested, you know what to do, right? All you have to do is just to chat me. The number I can see on your screen, right? And once you chat me, I will teach you exactly how you can do things step by step for yourself. Let's go, guys. And if you know you like the way I'm being plain and sincere to you right now, all I want you to do is just to give me a like and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be dropping new videos soon, teaching you guys exactly how you can do this kind of things step by step by yourself. Okay, now you can see this one that says rejected. Now why it says rejected is the fact that I went to a site that is not good. You understand? This site, they just wasted my time. They give me a fake gift card and I redeemed it. It didn't work out. Okay, and I'll also teach you how you can stay away from sites like this, because I've been experienced. If you look closely, I've been doing this since 2023, which means I have a lot of experience that I think most of you don't have. Okay, so all you have to do is to do what I ask you to do, which is chat me. All right, I'll be there to answer you, and I'll tell you all it takes for you to start. You can also see some cards that was rejected. Okay, this is 2023, 47,000 naira rejected, 47,000 naira, 4,000 naira, and this is because of a wrong website that I entered, and I'll find the blueprint on how you can find a very good unique website, okay, where you can make money and redeem your gift card. Okay, And to show you guys another thing, apart from redeeming your gift card here, they can also pay you money for using their website. If you click on here where it says the reward, you will see that the points that I've earned on this website is 1,732 points, which I redeemed to money. Okay, I've redeemed 1,000. Now it's remaining only 732. Okay, now that's to show you that this app is very sweet. Okay, I won't lie to you, it's very sweet. And again, you can go here, you can see their leaderboard, you can see people that are leading. So for you to know that, oh, this website, that they mean business, I mean this application, they mean business. You can see this person, Moses, BCJ, Ugly Poo. I mean, you can see people are making money from this website, and these are the top rankers on this website. Okay, so if you know you're interested, I'll teach you everything step by step. Let's go, guys.